going on, guys? Just made it. Got Sabi Auto. I'll link his YouTube channel down below. He's pushing like not a lot of horsepower. Just kidding. But
April Fools, April Fools.
April Fools, April Fools. But yeah, like, make sure you stay tuned. This is gonna be pretty lit. We're waiting on a couple more people, and we're gonna go check this car meet out. It's supposed to be the biggest one in VA. Question mark. Could be April Fool's joke, but you know, at least we're gonna have a good time. So yeah, stay tuned. You got the Eagles. You got the Eagles. Okay. The Eagles.
I know. Remember this? Nah, it's straight. Just hurry up. Just try to hurry up.
There's the beam. There's the beam. All right, guys. Nice little intro. Right behind my boy at the Saab. The spot that we're going to got changed, so we're gonna go to the new one. We're waiting on my friend. He's got an Evo. I actually went to school with this guy. Sick ass Evo. I got a good shot of that one. It sounds insane too. So this is gonna be a really good video, guys. Looks clean on the road.
What's height? 50?
Bro, this car is loud as shit. I know it's loud as fuck. Oh my god.
You should have given me a warning. I would have come to the video.
It's tight. The beamer, the white beamer.
Alright, yeah,
Shit, bro. I'd fit this one, bro. E55. It's a sleeper, bro. Yeah, bro. It's AMG.
You just got one for real.
For real? I don't know. Dude, I'd honestly buy one of these, bro.
Go get it. Stop it, Poppy.
Say a little rev. That cat.
Why are you?
Oh, you got jersey tags.
Can you guys see that?
That is pretty sweet. Oh, yes sir, yes sir. Little rev.
Hey, this is the one that was.
I need that, bro. I need that. She's a chop guy.
You got a man?
Nissan Turbo.
Did you see this shit? Whoa!
Put a flashlight on there. Put a flashlight on there.
Yeah.
He doesn't know if he's
flashlights. Let's go to Washington.
Jesus.
Nobody. More flashlight. We need more flashlight.
Dude, I'm surprised this doesn't melt.
The brightest.
Is this plastic? I touched this car before.
I was gonna say there's no way, bro.
Dude, how does this shit not melt? Like,
Here, let me see your phone so I can hold the light. And
looks
because
like
we're
it's
recording.
straight flat. Oh yeah.
Let me see your phone. Hold the look at the
drone. We got the drone. Sam's garage. Oh shit. Bro, those shits be having bombs on them, bro. I don't fuck. They be using that in the military. Oh, he got rear-ended. Look. Oh.
mic is done.
Yeah, nah, my mic caught that. Is that a ETR? Yeah, Yes, bro, these shits are fast, bro. That's all I gotta say. These Tundras, they kick. Bro, I'm not even kidding, bro. They kick, bro.
A lot of wear and tear.
No.
But it doesn't matter. It's such an easy turbo
Oh, that's
swap.
a real super.
Right there. It's a bolt. It's not in the back.
Now, in the back.
Yeah. I'm gonna go extra. I'm just gonna go bolt.
Low rev.
Young Buck.
JDM squad. Well, that's a fresh round. Galaxy. Diesel man. Nah, I mean, once he floors it. Yeah, I need the stick. Really, I had the stick.
Yeah, that's what I didn't.
Oh, see the. Damn, boy got money. That's all I gotta say.
Hey, look, Jaden.
These are only, you can only import
The
these.
CSL. They're rare as fuck. I honestly like the Mitsubishi Eclipse, bro. I'm not gonna lie.
Come on, the 3000 GT is way sexy. Especially for its time.
And it's Maryland tags. Dude, these are tags, man.
Look at the headlights right there next to you.
It's pretty fresh. He's got aftermarket side mirrors. Are these? I don't think these are stock, right? There's no way. Tiny little side one. Shout out to his Instagram.
No, they're not. They're not.
Yeah, bro. Oh, you're.
Let me fit it in.
So you know what's funny?
Right? Because they made lasso one. Freaking 3 Supras.
No, it's on the
4
Bible
Supras.
blog, dude. Come on.
Hey, smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel. We out here.
Make sure you hit that notification button.
My camera's about to die. I would post more, but this shit's about to die. Gotta cut the cam.